tutwala omukisa guno endongo nga tena bakufuuka kirala tena maayuka. Let's take a moment of silence kulwa omugenzi Honorable Segirinya. Tusaba Mukama Katonda amusaasire byonna ebyamusobyeko ebyamusobako amuwumuze mirembe. Alright, to the family, to the friends, na buli muntu yenna ajjukira Honorable Segirinya ebirungi byakoze. Kama tugumye. Amen. Alright. So I want to thank you guys on the other hand for coming out tonight to celebrate my 10 years in the industry. Thank you so much. Just in case I don't get a chance to say that again. Thank you so much, each one of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. My sponsors, my band, my dancers, the ATS team. Thank you so much. My guys on the production, Morgan Grace, Aziza Zion, and the entire team. Thank you so much. Haji KT, Manager Roger. Thank you so much. Let me tell you something. Someone told me, Tino Sina audience ya Serena. Sina nyimo jemuvudde muli bamama ne batata. Yeah, someone told me that. Jisi oyo yewanise ku Serena taina audience ya Serena. Mwebale kubaswaza mbona. Because there is no table that is empty. Mwenda muze kulwange mwebale nnyo kunjagala mwebale kubaswazanga. Sigwe gusose netuze tubaswaza. Isn't it? Let's brag about that. Thank you so much for making it happen. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ba TikToker mwena bali wano ba blogger, ba YouTubers, mwena media personalities, mwena thank you so much. Katika tusumule disco na yetu ulile. All right? You ready? Baby, hey, say we're so young. I do it for you. Supernatural, can you go with Gita? Baby, see go I tell Baba Sukan, Waji, Bridget. Yeah, come on. This is a song addiction. In my heart it's salvation. We are called a music addiction. Baby. Zapatala, to know that jetty. We don't get that chanda. Don't you see that song is in your heart? I think it's so personal. Zapatala, to know that jetty. Yeah. We don't get that chanda. Can't you see that song is in your heart? Let me tell you. So it's a woman away. Let's see it to start. Woman away. Hold on. Akaimba kano manesa wakaimbe mujagala Spice ngaimbe. If you know Spice Diana 10 years ago, I love you, baby. Akaimba kano kena soko kuandika mumulamu wange bonna. I don't know if we can have the video playing here. Ojaku whatever how little I was just a teenager with a dream. With that song, and look where we are right now. We are shining, baby. We are shining, baby. Come on. It's a fatherland. To know that we don't need a carrots. I love you. It's a fatherland. To know that we don't need a chanda. When you see that I'm missing you. So it's a woman away, sing it yourself. Wanna DJ. Sorry, I'm super excited. When I say this song is personal, omusajja ono Lady Idris. Omusajja ono enankulabye, njala kubakulabye bwe oyagala bakulabe. Omusajja ono ye yakolanga CD enankulabye entambuza obuyimba bwange ku bbala. My story is real. Omusajja ono enankulabye bamwita Idris. If you are in Nankulabe in 2013, you know this guy. In 2014, you know this guy. He owned a library, a music library. I could go and cry for him to borrow me a CD of 2000 to go and move my music door to door. Idris, thank you so much. Thank you. So sweet I feel it, nothing like I'm freezing. I'm so crazy. I still love to be taken for another. Supremacy, thank you. Dr. Fisa, big up to Dr. Fisa wherever you are. Thank you so much for that beautiful song. One more time, let's go. It's a kwakala, sonora jetty. We know you're not tender. Can't you see that I'm missing your love, baby? It's a kwakala, sonora jetty. But when it's like I'm back on the window, can't you see that I'm missing your love? It's a kwakala, sonora jetty. I'm going to take this song very personal. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to recognize my father, Zibida Morris. Again, okay, mzee wangu rade. Na ye, I'm happy that I sazeko nalaba my success. Tata wangu mulala Manisolo Twatwa. If you know the story that you've seen, nganjogera tata wange mpulirimuka bakulabeko mpubirako. Omwami oyo ye tata wange, my stepdad eyanguza nanjagala as a daughter. Thank you so much, I love you. Tata nkwagala nnyo. Kantwala omusango n'okwebaza okunjagala n'ompeerera. Webali nnyo, webali ddala kunjagala ng'owo. Karen Atongo, thank you so much. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you so much. Neyanziza. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Bernard. Because of excitement, simanye bana babuzizaako bulungi, simanye bana bebazizaako bulungi, but buli we najjukira kyenzijukira ngenda kikola. Oweekitiibwa Katikkiro ne mukyalawo mwebale nnyo okujja mu ndongo yaffe. Omanyi endongo yaffe bagamba yabayaaye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Afande David, togenda mu bivulu, but I'm so honored. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate byonna byonkoledde. Thank you so much. Mwenna mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala buli kimu kyonna. I really appreciate. I'll never have another 10 years. You've made it so special. Thank you. May God bless you for me, all of you. Mwebale nnyo. All right, let's go. Come on. Jabala kumanawe, my baby. Spending my money for you, I'm ready. My sweetie, my baby, my diva. Allow me to be your liver. Your love, you gon' give me fever. When you touch my body, oh baby, come in water. I go in my face. I like you, and I water, so clean and fresh. Oh baby, come in water. I go in my face, yo. Me, I like you, and I water, so clean and fresh, yo. Catching back on set to go, yeah. Singing on set to go, yeah. Donke ya chanda keki Kuno muziki kuna kutula Okweka myachi sifutula Staine kule kabo sikone gula Amanyo moni naga kusitula Kati wokoka Walk to waka Let me not so mati Wasi woseka Yogana ni water So clean and fresh Oh baby come me water I go in my face yo Me like you Yogana ni water So clean and fresh yo